How to easily set up and use Aniyomi app in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how to get Aniyomi working fast so you can start watching and reading without confusion. First, install Aniyomi. It isn't in the Play Store, so download it from its official site and install the file. If your phone asks for permission, allow installs from that source and finish setup. Open the app and you'll see tabs like Library and Browse. Before anything works, you need sources. Tap Browse, go to Extensions or Sources and install one you like. After it installs, go back to Browse and open that source. Now search for a title using the source's search bar or list. When you find something, tap it and add it to your library. This saves it so you don't have to search again later. Go to the Library tab, tap the title and choose an episode or chapter. If asked, pick a stream. Aniyomi will open its player or reader so you can start watching or reading. To make it comfortable, open Settings. You can change dark mode, layout, text size, and playback options so it fits how you like to use your phone. If you want offline access, open a title, pick an episode or chapter, and tap Download. After it finishes, you can watch or read without internet. Use the Updates tab to see new episodes or chapters for titles already in your library. If something doesn't load, update the source or try a different one. Most problems are caused by outdated or broken sources. And that's all you need. Install Aniyomi, add a source, search the title, add it to your library, and start watching or reading. Once you know these steps, using Aniyomi becomes quick and easy.